Hummingbird cake. A cake so sweet, a hummingbird will eat it.
What they don't tell you is what them hummingbirds will do to get their beaks into that sweet tropical tree. Hi, I'm Junebug. A few years back, my grandma was viciously attacked by a gang of hummingbirds. She was delivering a hummingbird cake to the church bake sale.
Who's there?
And they waited for her there.
No.
It was after that I started Hummingbird Security Services. With state-of-the-art technology and my prowess for subversion and camouflage, I can keep you and your loved ones safe as you're transporting your hummingbird cake. Perimeter is clear. And what we don't do, and I wish y'all would quit calling me about it, is protect your hummingbird feeder because the neighbor's cat's looking at it a little bit too long. I mean, these hummingbirds don't need our protection. They have literal swords on their faces. Give us a call, we'll help you out next time. Hummingbird Security Services, we defend the desserts.
The hummingbird cake is a dessert that you could feel proud of to bring to any kind of event. It has a sweet cream cheese frosting that's sandwiched between 3 layers of this banana, pineapple, pecan cake. It's just so good. Let's get right into it and start making. Now we reach the point of the story where I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not known for my cake frosting abilities, but without further ado, I present to you me frosting a cake. I'm just gonna put little strips of wax paper so that after we're finished frosting, I can just pull them out. All right, layer 1. Oh boy. So far, so good. Layer number 2. Final layer. All right, let's see how this works. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Come on now. Don't you do it. All right, now I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing again. I have the other cup of toasted pecans and I'm going to sprinkle them on the top. I am bad at cutting cake. I'm just bad at cakes. So why did I make a cake? Well, once you make a hummingbird cake, doesn't matter your skill level, you're gonna keep making them. Taste test time. Definitely taste the banana. The pineapple is very subtle. It's not overpowering. It's almost like a backup singer to the banana. The frosting is absolutely perfect, and the pecans just add this depth to it. So good. I can feel the diabetes coming over me with every bite. Stop eating it, I can't. This is perfect. Yum. Well, that's all I got for y'all this week. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, sure would appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you really like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to the channel. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.